Hello everyone, welcome my error fixing video. In this video I'm going to show how to fix not found, that's mean 404 error in WordPress. Let's see how I can solve that. At first we need to go on our WordPress dashboard and then find here setting and then submenu. When we will hover over setting, then we will find a submenu, lots of submenu. uh, from here we will go there, permalinks. Let's click here and then we can see here is a permalink structure. We need to send something there, just mean here. uh, at first I need to click a post name. Then when I click post name, it will return a value under input automatically. Basically we want to select a custom value, but post name and custom value most of that's a different. No, sorry, that's a not different. That's mean it's and it's same. Okay, we are select custom structure, then here automatically convert it to post name and then click save changes. Okay, it's okay, and let's refresh the page. Okay, it's fine, it's worked perfectly. Okay, it's perfect. In this way we can fix this error on our WordPress website. Thanks for today, and please subscribe my channel and share, like, comment. Again, thanks for watching this video.